Brady Rambo is about to pull out the amazing Gen 3 Indo Edition Redline Two-Face. We're about to show you this Covert F-250, but I've had so many questions about will it fit in a garage, so we're about to find out and show you all. Coming in, no problem. I mean, no problem leveled on 37s at all. Money setup, y'all. Leveled on 37s, 2.5-inch kit on our Covert Edition. Now let's review. In comparison, the Super Duty is taller than the Raptor, but the Raptor on 37s, again, no issue whatsoever. And to confirm, we're looking at
almost 8 feet.
Almost an 8-foot entrance right there. So for everyone's reference, 8-foot garage, no issue whatsoever with a Raptor on 37s or our Covert Edition on 37. So this is stock number NEF 96761, leveled on 37s, iconic silver, so iconic. Hope everyone's doing great. Do a little test drive on this truck. Got to do a little bit more trimming because we are big and bolsters on 37s, Toyo RTs. A few things I wanted to show you in this video was clearance and capability, plus check it out, we got amp research, power deployable running boards. Just say you need to clean the roof up there. It's gonna be hard to reach up there, but check this out. Close the door, put a little bit of pressure on the amp board. It makes the bar stay down. That way, if you need to clean up here or access, you can get up here, do what you need to, get back down, get into the back of the bed as well, open the door, close it back, goes right up. So a great feature to keep the board down. If you were wondering that, I'm just always not telling you guys enough information. So the little tidbit there, 2022 Lariat. Let's show them the inside bray. We got black leather looking great with contrast gray stitching. We got heated and cooled seats. We got the big 12-inch touchscreen. We are looking phenomenal. This truck is incredible. Inside and out, the power is undeniable. And to me, y'all, when you're leveled on 37s, you're truly legit. This is our Covert Edition package. We have Toyo RT, the hybrid tire out back, 37, 12.5, 20. A brand new wheel from Hostile, the Hostile H126 Maniac with a zero offset, as I mentioned, gloss black and milled. I love this gloss black and milled look on chrome because you got chrome bumpers, exhaust, door handles, mirror caps, grille, etc. So doing some milling in the wheel is a money setup to make sure you have good balance. If it was a matte black wheel, the matte black really wouldn't vibe with the rest of the components, and then having the milling really just sets it off with the gloss black to go along with it. This truck has so much power. I'm telling you, over 1,000 pound-feet of torque, almost 500 horsepower. The truck can do it all. How are we leveled? So out back, we got a 4-inch ready lift block. So the block is installed. The block went up 1 inch in total height to give us a nice leveled setup. We have Husky rear wheel well liners out back too to clean up that gray unfinished body panel underneath there. So a great addition. Do some Husky liners in the back. Ford has some as well, but we wanted to show you a Husky variation. And up front, we've got a, did you know the dogs read it back to back, y'all? Just had to remind you of that. Yes, sir. We have a 2.5-inch ready lift coil spring level kit. Up front, we have a track bar relocation bracket to go along with it. Everything to keep everything within factory spec is what we do, y'all, and we're looking nice and clean. So many more things that you can add to this one, but our entry-level Covert Edition options, we got amp power board, we got wheels and tires, level kit, rear wheel well liners, WeatherTech floor mats. I obviously wanted to do some Morimoto LED headlights here. I obviously wanted to do blue to black here, but it's just good to show you all different levels of our custom Covert Edition package. So I think it's a money setup. It's a great one, and it's now available. Our hearts today are heavy. We celebrated the victory on Saturday, and then a great family from Nakoa had a huge loss, as well as the loss in Bulldog Nation. Life is short, y'all. Life is so precious. Do not take a second for granted, and please be safe out there. For Brady Rambo and Kristen and Neal, we appreciate y'all. Just to let you know, we take these trucks out and we test drive them to make sure they're perfect. So one thing I want to show you too, we'll get back to the shop. We got to do a little bit more trimming in this area right here. We have not trimmed it all, but after test driving it, it barely rubs right there in that component. So we will take that piece of plastic out right there. The front's money. We did a trimmer valance up front too. If the trimmer valance was not installed, it would hung down right here, and then you would have some rubbing issues there. So trimmer valance takes care of the rubbing up front. trim some out back right there to make sure it's perfect for the next great owner right here with a Hypertech speedometer calibrator. It's all ready to roll, y'all. Thanks so much. Stay tuned for more because we got videos on the daily for everything auto. Peace out.